Hi adventurers, and welcome to the LARP Peddler's channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to assemble the Acerd round bag, a stylish bag perfect for any LARP character. Don't forget that you can get this pattern at the link in the description and join the guild on Patreon. Remember to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. As usual, I used my laser cutter to cut the pieces, but in this video, you can see how to assemble the pattern once it's printed on your home printer. As you can see, I added some decoration to the exposed edges of the pieces. In this video, you can see my homemade tool for this process, but you can do the same thing with a stitching wheel and a steady hand, or create any decoration you prefer. Once the pieces are cut, use a beveler to round all the edges. For the dyeing process, I use a mini painting air gun and a small air compressor, but you can do it with a brush or however you normally would. I use this method because it allows me to create different shades while saving time and dye. Once the pieces are dyed, apply a glossy leather varnish. It's important that it's glossy if you're going to do the weathering process we'll see next. Apply a mixture of equal parts black acrylic paint and water and spread it with a piece of cloth. For this process, the glossy varnish helps the dye flow more easily. For the distressing process, use fine grit sandpaper. I use a sponge sanding pad like the ones used in woodworking. This process is optional, but in my opinion, it gives the piece character. Now it's time for the leather trim. For this project, I used a strip of suede, but you can use any type of fine leather, such as goatskin, that you like. In this other video, you can see how I make the strips for the leather trim. I use double-sided tape to attach the leather trim to the main piece, but you can use contact cement. Once it's glued on, tap it a few times with a hammer on a sturdy surface to flatten the leather. In this case, I decided to hand sew the leather trim instead of using my cobbler's sewing machine. This is just one of the sewing processes you can follow. Use whichever one you feel most comfortable with. Once the leather trim is applied, attach the decorative rivets to the main piece and join the remaining pieces following the numbers on the pattern. Then, thread the straps through the oval holes, and don't forget to add the rings for piece 3 plus 4. Join the side pieces. I used a cross stitch, but you can use whichever method you prefer. When you finish the sides, your A-serred round bag will be ready to join you on your adventures. I want to thank the patrons who support the LARP Peddler. Your support means a lot. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it inspires you to create your own outfit for your events. Remember that you can find this pattern with instructions at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. I hope you have a great adventure.